In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on the Nextdoor app. First, open the Nextdoor app on your device and sign into your account. You will see the familiar login screen where you can input your credentials. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings. Make sure to enter your email and password correctly. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your information. This step is essential because it ensures that you can access your profile and make the necessary changes. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to the homepage of the app where you can see your neighborhood updates and posts. Next, tap your profile picture or profile icon located at the top of the screen. This visual cue is usually circular and represents your account. Tapping on it will take you to your personal profile page. This is important because it serves as the gateway to your account settings. Here, you can view your posts, notifications, and other personal information. You will notice various options and settings that pertain to your account. It's a simple action that opens up a range of possibilities for customization and security. From your profile page, select My Profile. This option is typically found in the menu that appears after tapping your profile icon. Choosing My Profile allows you to manage your personal details and preferences. This is where you can see the information you have shared with your neighbors. It is crucial to keep this information accurate and secure. Once you tap this, you'll be directed to a page with your profile details, including your bio and neighborhood information. Now, go to Settings by tapping on the gear icon. This icon is usually found in the corner of the screen. Selecting Settings is a vital step because it leads you to where you can make more significant changes to your account. Here, you will find various options related to your privacy, notifications, and account management. Once you tap on the gear icon, you will see a list of settings that you can modify. In the Settings menu, find and select Account Settings. This option will guide you to the specific settings related to your account's security and login information. It is essential to access these settings to ensure your account is protected. Under Account Settings, you will see several options. This is a crucial step that prepares you for changing your password, which enhances your account security. Next, select Password or Change Password. This option is where you initiate the process of updating your password. It is vital to change your password regularly to maintain security. When you tap this option, you will be prompted to enter your current password, which is a necessary step to confirm your identity. This measure ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Now enter your current password. This is the password you have been using to log into your account. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any issues. After entering it, you will be able to proceed to the next step. This step is important as it acts as a security check before allowing you to change your password. You will see a confirmation message once you have submitted your current password. Enter your new password, then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. A good password usually contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-entering it ensures that you did not make any mistakes. This step is crucial because it guarantees that your new password is set correctly. After this, you will feel more secure knowing your account has a new password. Finally, tap Save or Update Password to apply the changes. This action finalizes your new password. Once you tap this button, you will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. This is an important last step, ensuring your changes are saved. You can now log in with your new password. Your account is now more secure and you can navigate the app with confidence.